All right, so let's do a quick walkthrough here of your free content creating tool. So you're going to notice when you get started, it's going to have you set up your brand. And to set up your brand, you can either enter your website or you can just manually enter text. And it's just going to be like a basic info, like right here. It's going to, if it has your website or you manually enter it, it'll pull up kind of like a description. And then you can even choose like your colors and the type of font that you want and what type of tone you want. Okay, and you can come in here and change things at any point too. And then outside of that, if you need help, there is this help section down here in the corner. And this will bring you to categories to basically show you how to do everything, like getting started. And so this talks about adding your brand, connecting your social media accounts, generating a campaign and publishing it, and then expanding your reach, right? Because you do have the ability to run multiple campaigns simultaneously to really maximize your brand's online presence. And so again, you could go through and click around in here and play and look at things. But other than that, when you get started with this, if you just put basic information in here, your content is going to come out pretty basic, right? So this is why you want to come in here and do the deep knowledge. Inside of the deep knowledge, this is going to let the AI read information that's more tailored and specific to you and your brand. That way it's a lot more on point. And you don't have to fill out all of these, just pick and choose kind of what you want to fill out. For myself, I kind of added a lot of things just manually. And so to do that, you can just click add document and you can either upload a document or you can do free form text and just enter it. So for example, for the executive team overview, I entered information about myself and a little bit about, my achievements that I've accomplished and different things like that, right? And kind of my goals. I did my brand values. I put in, specific outcomes that I want my target audience to feel. I put their aspirations in here that I want them to feel empowered, relieved, and confident. Credibility, how we have a proven track record for success. How does my unique solution work? Common but disliked solutions, buying beliefs. And again, this is just all extra. You do not need to have all this stuff. This is just, I wanted to see what would happen if I created extremely tailored information down to the point of who my ideal client is and what they're thinking inside their head, etc. So fill this out to the best of your capability. Again, you can put basic information in here, choose your industry, look and feel. You can come in here and for media, you can add photos and then also you can add products. Okay. So outside of that, you can come in here at any point in time and create a single post. And for the single post, you click create. You can let it choose the theme for you, or you can choose the theme by entering a topic. Same thing with video. You can choose a random theme, or you could do a video with a custom theme. And then outside of that, if you go to the campaign area, this is where it's going to allow you to create campaigns that have up to 7 posts daily and up to 4 weeks. So, in the end, this is what it ends up looking like, right? Like this is one that was chosen for video. And I'll show you in a moment how you can edit that. But to start a campaign, you click create, you give it your name. So maybe this is geared towards, let's do Ally Pro partnership, business builder. And then let's say I wanted to do images only. I could do that. I could do video only, or I could do product focused. So I'm going to choose image only for this one. The videos do come out really cool though too. So I'll show you what some of those look like. I'm going to click next. And now this is the platform. So again, if you have all of your accounts connected here under the connected accounts, this is where it's going to allow you to choose exactly what platforms you wanted to go to. So let's say you wanted to post to all of these platforms at 7 a.m. So let's say you wanted to go on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter all at 7 o'clock a.m. every day. You could select all 3 of those. But for this, I'm just going to grab Instagram and I'm going to click next. So again, how long do we want to post? Well, let's do 4 weeks. Let's do a post daily. And then, choose your time. Maybe I'll go at, like 10. I wonder if it lets me like change this 10:03 a.m., right? Just something random. And again, what's cool is again, I can come back in later and make another one to go at 12, another one to go at 2, another one to go at 6. A lot of these platforms, like you need to post frequently, and that's what is going to make the algorithm work in your favor. So I'm going to click on next. And then here I'm going to choose my theme. So I'm going to say boutique. There's a lot of themes in here, and there will be more coming, and as well the ability to add in your own templates, which will be great. And then click next. What type of images should we use? Well, if I want to have it just use the stock images, I would do that. If I had uploaded my own images under the branding category, I would do that. All right, exclude. And this right here allows you to have the ability to not have to repost the same image over and over again that it's already created for you. And then you click finish. So what's going to happen here is it's going to notify you within 5 to 10 minutes when it's done. It is so simple. It's kind of mind blowing. So this right here, we'll go check this one out that we made. All right, so in here, this is where it's scheduled to post. You can obviously change things if you want to. And then if you click on edit, you have the functionality of changing all of the things right now. So if I wanted to change the call to action, if I wanted to add an actual business name, I took the business name out because I didn't want it to say the actual name. And then again, like if I don't like the title that it created, I can change that. I can change the primary colors. And same thing with captions. So if I don't want to mention the name, My Genius Leads, I could say, like ready to transform your social media presence. Right, whatever the case may be, I could do whatever I wanted. And then with that, you have the option to edit the various elements that are in here, images, convert, video, upload, audio, text, shape. So it's almost like a little miniature editing form, kind of like Canva, which is nice so that you don't have to like take your things, download it, and go create it somewhere else. It's super, super convenient. And I'm going to click cancel because I don't want to do anything. And then this is what this one looks like based on what I chose. Revolutionize your business efficiency, link in bio. Right. So this was just a basic one that I created. It wasn't anything customized. And it's still pretty cool how it turns out. Powering your entrepreneurial journey, link in bio. Let's go back and let's look at this one, content creator. So this is one where I just did the content, experience exponential growth. And the more information that you have in your brand area, like a lot of these were before you even put information in there, the better the output it's going to be. It's pretty phenomenal. And that's it. It's super duper simple.